On the doorstep of Raven Street Reserve, this unique offering is truly breathtaking. I'm Dan De Silva, let's check this one out. As soon as you enter the home, you will absolutely love the rich tones in timber throughout this house. This architecturally Swiss-inspired chalet design is like no other you've ever seen. You'll never have to go on holiday if you buy this home. You can sit out the deck and enjoy the beautiful greenery with the mountain views and sunsets every afternoon. Four bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and even 2 decks. With a sprawling living area out to the deck, you'll feel one with nature with the green surroundings. As you can see, this home is truly one of a kind, so if you have any questions or would like to arrange an inspection, feel free to give me a call. Cheers.